Baby sturgeon guys. Baby sturgeon. Yun no. Woo, swerte. Galing. This is it guys. First sturgeon of the year. Okay. Quick release lang to guys. Be careful. Today is what? August 7, 2026. Okay. Keep it in the water. Keep it in the water. There you go guys. Ang ganda. Woo! Keep nyo lang sa tubig pag nakahuli kayo ng sturgeon. Okay? Quick release. Bye! Sturgeon guys. Nice.